Today I am going to show you how to create a fully responsive header image in Weebly so your site looks clean and professional on desktops, tablets and mobile devices. A great user experience starts with the right theme, so make sure you're using one of Weebly's built-in responsive themes. These automatically adapt to different screen sizes and give you a strong foundation to work with. Once your theme is active, head into the Weebly Editor and open the Design tab at the top of the screen. Here you'll see the option to change the background or directly select your header section. This is where you'll upload your main visual. Click Upload Image and choose a clear, high-quality file from your computer. Make sure the image is optimized so it loads quickly without losing sharpness. After uploading, Weebly will give you options to control how the header image behaves. Settings like fill frame proportionally or fit to width let you adjust how the image scales across different devices. Choose the one that keeps your visual looking balanced without cutting off important parts. You can fine-tune things further by using the Edit Background tools, which help you refine placement, alignment, and how the image displays within the header frame. Before making anything live, click Preview and check how the image looks on desktop, tablet, and mobile views. This quick step helps you catch any odd cropping or image shifts. Once everything looks clean and consistent, click Publish to push your redesigned responsive header to your live site. And that's it. You've created a professional, responsive header image that looks great everywhere your visitors land.